Willed Well Armed. I'm looking at American Blade Works out of North Carolina, and we've got some really nice carbon fiber, some Makata, and then there's some G10 over here, and these are some little box cutters. And here's the owner of the company, Michael. Michael, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
How long you been making knives?
About 3 years now.
Wow, you got a nice little operation here going. Is this full-time job or part-time?
It's full time.
Great.
I started out kind of going slow, and it's just really ramped up, and it's a full-time business.
That's wonderful. So what's special about your knives?
I make everything in-house. It's all made by me. I hand assemble every one. I hand sharpen every one. It's just a small family business. We all kind of pitch in and help. Everything's CNC made, all American made materials.
How can we get in touch with you?
I have a website, and I'm also on Instagram.
All right.
You can feel free to email me or message me on Instagram. I always message people back. I love talking with people.
And AmericanBladeWorks.com.
That's it.
All right. Thank you, Michael.
Thanks.